Hi guys. Hello. Hi. 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 What do I have to say about my new friends? मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि these guys are, you know, a very, very strong asset to me, Flying Judd, and I'm trying to help them also. You know, three of us make a stronger team. So, where he is a superhero, he is a superhero, I'm a superhero. So, we are like the Avengers of India, you know? Yeah. But yeah, because of them, I'm trying to save more people, and we are saving more people together. Teamwork, together everyone achieves more. And if you have partners like Chhota Bheem and Chris, then that makes us unstoppable. Flying Jet is unstoppable with them.
But Tiger, you are a superhero who's afraid of heights. So what do you do differently from the other superheroes?
What do I do differently? Well, I can dance. I can, the one thing I do differently, which is very unique, which I don't think any superhero does, is I'm scared of my mother, so I have to listen to everything she says. So if I'm flying, flying home, on my way home, even if I'm in costume, she'll give me a call on my mobile and I have to pick up. She says, please go to the market to pick up vegetables. So, yeah. So I have to stop at the market and buy her vegetables.
And we've seen in the trailer that you clean your house also.
I have to clean my house also. She takes advantage of me by, using my powers in her favor. So she makes me clean houses, climb the roof, climb on the walls, clean the, cobwebs. So yeah.
All right, I have to ask Jacqueline now. If you had a choice between Chris and Beam, who would you go for?
I don't know who's gonna woo me better. Yeah, like maybe a little dance off. Let's try a dance off or something. Should we try a dance off on Beat Pay Booty? Do we have Beat Pay Booty? Yeah? Okay, so the better, you guys help me, okay? Whoever dances better on Beat Pay Booty, I'll choose him. You guys ready?
क्या बात है, Jacqueline?
Chhota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chhota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chris was dancing his heart off.
So we'd love to see you guys dance like the perfect team. This is the perfect team. Yeah? क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक, लवली. अरे सिग्नेचर क्या था सर? सिग्नेचर अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll see it in the movie anyway. So yeah. All right. So I think what we are also here for is that you guys are starting a hunt for 20 kids. Yeah.
Yes.
So we want to know what this is all about. What?
So we're very, very excited to announce to all and everyone here that we're starting a hunt for 20 kids to star and dance with us, dance with me and Tiger in our promotional video. So We're starting the hunt today, so you have to send this.
One second, I think he has something
what
to
is
say.
It, Chris? What is it? Oh, you're in it? Oh, no, no. Okay, auditions have started, guys. See, Chris is on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you two. Okay, cool. We'll have to like choose our. Okay, so we have to make a selection between Chris and.
And you know what I do best.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll select. Okay.
So send us your videos in, and soon you'll get to.
On
dance
Facebook
with
and on YouTube, right? That's how you're, looking at it. Fantastic. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yeah? I think Beam has to go. He's feeling hungry now. He wants to go and have his laddus. Yeah? He'll be back in just a bit. And I think you have to go to school also. Yeah? Or you don't want to go to school? Huh. Okay, so he just wants to go to school. We'll see them in some time. Thank you so much. All right. Questions.
Okay, Jacqueline, if you can see me here,
There.
it's okay. Hi Jacqueline, hi Remo, hi Tiger.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
आप तीनों से जानना चाहूंगा जिस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स फिल्म को मिल रहा है, खास करके बच्चे बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. डू यू थिंक हाफ द बैटल इज वॉन? बच्चे जब पसंद कर रहे हैं तो यकीनन माँ बाप को तो थिएटर तक ले ही जाएंगे. द रेस्पॉन्स इज रियली पॉजिटिव.
ऐसा सोच के तो नहीं बनाई थी, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए बनाई थी, वो सोचा था हमने, क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है और मैंने हर वक्त फिल्म बनाई है, सभी पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके. स्पेशली ये वाली फिल्म तो सबसे पहले बच्चों को दिमाग में रखा एंड देन मैंने बनाई पिक्चर.
Okay, Jacqueline, what would you say? That the response is really positive and the kids are just loving it.
I'm just happy because we have made a family film for everyone, and if we have kids loving our film, they're the most honest critics of ours, and if we actually have them loving our film and loving our superhero Flying Jet, then seriously I feel most happy with that. If you guys all go and watch our film.
ओके टाइगर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, फिल्म रिलीज़ की कगार पे है, 25 अगस्त को फिल्म रिलीज़ होने जा रही है और अगर आपकी लास्ट फिल्मों की बात करें, कमर्शियली बहुत कामयाब रही हैं. आर यू नर्वस? बहुत उम्मीदें होंगी ऑडियंस को भी, क्रिटिक को भी, हर किसी को.
बिल्कुल एक एक्सपेक्टेशन अभी बढ़ चुका है मुझ पे, पर I've done 3 films in my career so far and I'm most confident about Flying Jet. तो I think it's all thanks to बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था. I've always wanted to be a superhero. So whatever I do, if I do stunts or if I dance, I try to dance like a superhero. I do flip like a superhero. I do action like a superhero. And I always want to help people. I always tell kids, if every one of you are a superhero, it's all about helping others. That's a superpower, and that's the greatest superpower. I just want to tell you guys that.
All right, we have one little fan over there.
Let him complete.
जैसे मैं कह रहा था सर, और दिस माय फर्स्ट फिल्म विद रेमो सर. इंशाल्लाह अगर मौका मिलेगा तो ज़रूर फ्यूचर में भी काम करेंगे. आई हैड द बेस्ट टाइम वर्किंग विद रेमो सर एंड ही मेड माई लाइफ सो मच ईजियर. ही इज सच अ क्लियर डायरेक्टर. मुझे बस सेट पर जाना था और मुझे बस काम करना था. आई डिडंट खुद से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. इट वाज अ बिग टीम एफर्ट एंड एक्शन को लेकर, डांस को लेकर मैं सब क्रेडिट इनको देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि एंड आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज ही वाज सो क्लियर इन हिज हेड फ्रॉम डे वन. एंड हम दोनों ज़्यादातर बच्चे लोग के लिए बनाते पिक्चर, क्योंकि बच्चे लोग हमारा ये हिंदुस्तान के फ्यूचर है. एंड कीपिंग देम इन माइंड we've made this film, and I think if they're already liking it, for me the film's already a hit.
Okay, who is your favorite superhero from the Bollywood? Though we have seen Chris in the form of a. Who is your favorite?
Hrithik Roshan, Krish, और मेरे डैडी शिवा खान साहब.
All right, so we have this little boy here. What question do you have? Tell me, 1 second.
How did her mother know? No.
How did her mother know?
How did your mother dress that suit of?
Design that.
How did she dress that suit? Oh, okay. Well, you want one? You want one? Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, once
He'll
the
give
film
you.
releases.
Yeah, you'll get one.
If you want, you
Sure.
can have mine. But I need it now. Okay, because I have to save the world. But once I'm done saving the world on 25th August, I'll give you my suit. Okay? What's your name? What's your name? Divij. Okay, I'm Tiger.
Yeah. Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
also known as Flying Jet.
Remo here.
Yes.
On your right.
Hi,
yeah.
Tiger. Yeah. Over on your left.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Tiger. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Remo. Okay, so what I wanted to know is that your powers. Every superhero gets his powers from some ways. It gets an insect bite or something happens. Where do you get your powers from?
I don't know if I can tell you that. I'll have to ask my director.
I think for that you have to see the film. I mean that's a secret.
It's a very
so-
important moment
Yeah.
that happens in the movie to understand how Flying Jet gets his powers and where it all begins because he was a simple boy before that. So, yeah, you have to see the film. on the
Okay,
20th.
I'm definitely watching it, but if you cannot say where do you get your powers from, besides flying, are there any other powers associated with your superhero besides flying?
Well, I'm a martial art teacher, so you know he's a gifted fighter already, and he's
I think for the rest, then we'll watch the movie on 25th,
yeah,
and
yeah.
you know we'll
I
figure it
don't
out
really
then.
know much, but good questions. Thank
Hi.
you.
Yeah, Remo sir here on your left. Yeah. Remo, when you're making a film like A Flying Jet, which has a huge audience base, that of kids, so is there any do's and don'ts that you follow? And perhaps is this why you have consciously stayed away from double meaning dialogues and everything in your films?
I never do that. I mean, if you would have seen my earlier films, I never have those dialogues in my films. And I always make sure that कि जब भी मेरी फिल्म आए तो पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके कोई बच्चा अपनी माँ को देख के ये नहीं बोल रहे कि वो लोग ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं और ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं सो मेरे दिमाग में ऑलवेज रहता है कि जब बच्चे पूरी फैमिली बैठ के देखें तो कोई बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स से कोई गलत सवाल ना पूछ ले या गलत चीज़ ना पूछ ले फिल्म देखते समय और मैं मानता हूँ कि फिल्म भी एजुकेशन देता है आपको और हमारी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एज ए डायरेक्टर कि हम वो फिल्में दिखाएं जो बच्चों को कुछ सिखाए ना कि कुछ गलत सिखाए सो मैं ऑलवेज मेरे फिल्मों में यही रखूँगा जो कुछ सिखा पाए
Yeah. Also, Tiger, we see in the film that you are doing household work, including everything. Is that how you are also in real life and you do the things that we see on screen?
I do a lot of work outside my house. In my house, my mother is my superhero. तो उल्टा है मेरा घर में. My mom is the superhero, but you know I still in one way I am very alike to my character because both the superhero and me are scared of my mother and I listen to my mother. Everything she has to say I have to listen to. She's stronger than me.
All right, with this, I think we'll close this line of questioning.
Last question. Tiger.
Okay, we'll take one last question.
Yeah. Hi, as you said last time that Ritik was surprised with your Flying Jet trailer. So are you planning any special screening for him?
For Ritik sir?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind. I hope so if he has time from his schedule and if he wants us to organize it, yeah, we would love to, of course, yeah.
Definitely.
He is
Jacqueline,
an idol.
and apparently recently Salman posted a video supporting Rustam. And साथ ही मोहनजोदारो भी release हो रही है, but everybody, so many people we have seen supporting Rustam. Do you support Mohenjo-daro, being a Ritik fan?
I think we can talk about the movie. That would be better, right? Because I'm so interested to know about
let him
Flying
answer.
Jet and everything.
Let him answer. He can answer. Let him answer.
You know, ma'am, they're very different films, and we're only making films for you viewers. And I urge the viewers to go see both Rustam and Mohenjo-daro because they're both very brilliant films and from brilliant filmmakers and actors. So
And Flying Jet supports all films.
that's right.
Jacqueline.
All right.
ओके मेरा आखिरी सवाल मैं आखिरी
Sir,
सवाल
अभी sir,
एक
we're
मिनट
closing
पूछने
it.
दीजिए
Thank
ना
you so
उनको,
much.
पूछने let him answer ना, let him answer.
Thank you so
Let him
much.
answer.
With
Let him
this,
answer. Let him answer. मेरा आप तीनों से सवाल है जिस तरह से बायोपिक आपकी
Yeah,
तारीफ
thank
में
you
बन
so
रही है और
much.
लोग तारीफ कर
All
रहे हैं.
right.
Let him answer. जिस तरह से लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं बायोपिक, ये लास्ट सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा मैं आप तीनों से. रेमो सर आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा जिस तरह से लोग बायोपिक बना रहे हैं और हाल में ये भी खबर आई है कि आर.डी. बर्मन साहब पे बायोपिक बनने जा रही है.
अच्छा
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आर.डी. बर्मन जी इतने दिग्गज लीजेंड रहे हैं म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के, हाउ डू यू सी
मेरे को
दिस?
आइडिया नहीं है एक्चुअली कि उन पे कोई फिल्म बन रही है बट बायोपिक्स चल रही है बननी चाहिए
Okay, Jacqueline, what do you have to say about there's a biopic happening on R.D. Burman? R.D. Burman.
all
R.D.
right,
Burman.
sir, we're going to cancel it. I think we're running out of time also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.